Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Auditing Tricks. This video is all about the checkpoints to be taken care while audit report writing and its formatting. Want to learn how to write a good internal audit report that is digestible and effective at motivating the stakeholder action? Then you are at the right place to learn. So join me in this video and I will help you to understand what all things to be taken care before releasing an internal audit report to your stakeholders and management. I will share the tips for grabbing attention of your readers as well. Before that, don't forget to hit like to the video, share its link with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more educative and informative videos. What is considered a good audit report? A good internal audit report is one that clearly communicates the objectives, scope, and findings of an audit engagement, and in doing so, motivates its readers to take internal audit's recommended actions. An effective audit report is essential to make sure the results of your audit are presented in a way that is useful to the party receiving the audit. When you are polishing up your audit report to send to the management, make sure to follow proper format before you send it out. Include a cover page. The cover page should be 3 or 4 lines and outline the subject of the audit report and the type of audit. The observation should be structured in the following manner. Current process, SOP as is what is being followed. You can mention who does what, when, where, why, how, etc. Then design gaps in the current process, SOP of non-compliances, observation based on the data analytics, observation based on sample testing or substantive testing basis analytics. You must mention the sample and population in the observation. For example, in 7 out of 30 samples reviewed by the audit, spell check every time you are going to send a document. Clear the notes section in the PPT. Sequence of boxes used in the PPT has to be as follows. First, observation along with the background. Second, risk and implication or root cause depending on the space availability. Third, recommendation from the auditor side. Fourth, comments from the process owners and HODs. Fifth, responsibility and the promise date given by the process owner for implementing the controls. We should use complete word instead of shortcuts like use AND instead of AND sign. Do not use passive voice in the report. Passive voice can be difficult to read. Instead of saying no irregularity of operation was found, you can say the audit team found no evidence of irregularity. You can provide perspective for the reader, giving a fair balance of the positive and negative results of the audit. The date format should be in DDMMYYYY format. Be precise and avoid redundant phrasing and inexact terminology. In the interest of clarity, use the shorter sentences over longer ones. Use bullet points which break up difficult information and make it clearer for the reader. Bullets have to be of consistent format and size and space. You can use Mr. or Mrs. with the name of the individual, and designation should also be mentioned. Write the executive summary. This is an overview of the audit results. It should present overall conclusions and recommendations related to the purpose and scope methodology. This section must include A brief description of what was audited, objectives, scope, and time period. Statement of significant action plan. Overall statements of concerns and conclusions. Overall audit report rating. Remove the word absence in the report. You can use different word like not defined. The report should be written in plain worded, not technical language to be used, and use proper grammar and paragraph organization. Remove the word till date and use the specific date like 31st March 2023. In due date column, remove immediate, ongoing, or blank from the target implementation date. There need to be a specific date. You should avoid using of strong negative words like unauthorized, contradiction, lack, inefficient, anomalies, etc. You can use other positive words. You can use hyperlinks between annexure and observation slides. They should be of two-way. Remove short forms, department, number, admin. It should be full form department, administration, number. Index page number alignment should be accurate as well. You should have the annexure number referred against the specific observations. Unless value in few thousands, present the value in crores or lakhs. There should be no word stating with a capital letter in between a sentence unless the same is name of individual, company or place. Before starting the observation bullet points, mention that we reviewed the XYZ process and noted the following exceptions. Recommendations should have the phrase should be as we are suggesting something and not use must be. Instead of the words current process, use the word process followed. Observation has to be in past tense. Use words like was, were. Check process owner name from email ID and designations from the organization chart for accuracy before mentioning their names in the audit report. Standard font and font size should be used in the whole report. Like Arial or Verdana font with 12 font size can be used for professional writing. Formatting of tables in the observation has to be consistent. For draft version of reports, make sure the first slide and footer in each slide clearly mentions the word draft for discussion purpose only. Make sure there are no double spaces in the report. Do Ctrl+F and search for double spaces and replace them with the single space. Observation title should be neutral to positive language, should be crisp and should fit in one line. Hyperlink should be made in the annexures. I hope you have learned a lot about report writing and its formatting, and next time you will take care of these points before sending any report to anyone or to the management. Before signing off, please do subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Hit like to the video. You can comment if you have any questions, or you can provide any topics on which you want a video, and do share the link of this video with your friends and in your groups. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.